prelude to the Afternoon of Faun by Debussy, French composer. This piece, as if you're looking at an impressionistic painting, dreamlike quality in sound. How to produce that kind of fuzzy, but it's there and barely there kind of sound is about using more on the side of the bow and float. Minimize the vibrato, not too aggressive. Let's give a try at the beginning. Look at the key signature because it's in D flat major. So we need to make sure it's B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat, G flat. Marked as double piano, I would suggest to start in the upper half of the bow and slightly closer to the fingerboard. The rhythm is not very pronounced, but it's still there. So we should try to use the metronome about 1/8 note per beat at 96. The reason why I'm trying to play through with the rhythm, just to get the feel, there's still certain flow with the beats. But in general, when you practice for the audition, maybe we don't need to use the metronome. The rhythm is still there. Pay attention to the dynamics. At the beginning is double piano, and then at the middle of the section it reached double forte. Then it drops to like forte and mezzo forte and piano and ends with double piano. So there's so many layers of color we need to produce.